For the longest time, people believed Veo3 could only create 8-second AI videos. Short clips, quick shots, nothing more. But that has completely changed. You can now create long-form videos with Veo3, anywhere from 1 minute to a full 10 minutes. Yes, real videos, not clips. And this isn't just about length. The biggest breakthrough is 100% character consistency. Your characters stay the same from the first scene to the last. This means you can now use Veo3 to create full stories, documentaries, educational videos, and cinematic content. This tutorial is a step-by-step breakdown showing exactly how to create long videos with Veo3. Let's dive in.
First things first, you must have add your prompt. That is your first prompt. The initial thing, which is your character, what you want the person to wear, where you want the person to sit down, or the pose, the setting you want. You must have created that first. I already have my own written here. Then you come to Flow. The link to this website directly is included in the description of this video. And then this is the initial interface you're going to see when you come to Flow. So tap on Create with Flow. Please note, while this scene builder doesn't work for smartphone, I am going to show you a way you can do it on your smartphone. So stay with me to the end of this video so that you won't miss out. So tap on Create with Flow and you'll be required to log in to your account. Now that I am in my account, you're going to see the new project, this icon at the center of my screen. You're not going to see all these scenes, all these videos below, unless you've created videos on your account. So you tap on the new project, and once you tap on new project, you'll be redirected to an interface like this. And this is where you go and copy your initial scene. That is the initial scene where you describe how you want your character to be and everything else about your character. So I'm just going to copy it, and the first thing I want it to say. So I'm going to come back and then ensure this place is checked to text to video. Come to the settings at the right hand side of your screen, select your aspect ratio and ensure your output per prompt is just 1. Then the model, leave it in Veo3.1 fast beta audio. Leave it that way. And then you come to this place that says generate a video with text. This is where you are going to paste your prompt, and when you paste your prompt, you just send it and wait for a few seconds and your video is going to be ready. And after a few seconds, our video is ready. Let's play this and see.
For the longest time, people believed Veo3 could only create 8-second AI video. Short clips, quick shot, nothing more.
This is where we are going to start creating longer video. You can see that this result is giving us our normal 8 seconds clip. Now, if you see above my screen, above this scene here, you're going to see add to scene. At the top left hand side of the video I just generated, there is add to scene there. So you're going to tap on that add to scene. And once you see add to scene and you tap on it, it's going to redirect you to an interface exactly like this. Look at this. Our scene is here. At the right hand side, you can see 0.8 seconds, which is the duration of our first scene. And you can see our timeline here that is showing all our clip. So the next step now, you're going to tap on this plus icon and then you tap on extend. This jump to is for when you want to jump to another scene, but now we want it to just extend this video. So you're going to tap on extend, and when you do, you should see something like this. What should happen next? So once you see what should happen next, at the top left hand side of the box where you're supposed to paste your prompt, there should be an extend icon there. Then once you see that, you see this happens and then extended shot. So you go back to your prompt and then you go and copy the next scene. So I'm going to be copying my scene 2 right now. So this is what you should say in scene 2. So I'm going to copy that and then come back to Flow Scene Builder and paste the prompt right here. and then send it. And in a few seconds, our video should generate the next scene. Let's wait and see what it's going to give us. And our second scene is ready. Can you see it here? Can you see the scene 1? This is the scene 2. Now let's play it from the beginning and see what it is giving us.
For the longest time, people believed Veo3 could only create 8-second AI videos. Short clips, quick shots, nothing more. But that has completely changed. You can now create long-form videos with Veo3, anywhere from 1 minute.
Now, did you notice that it didn't change her face, it didn't change her setting, it didn't change anything, not even her voice? So this is really a game changer if you ask me. But another thing now is to keep notice, like to note that your voice, that's the script, what you want her to say, should not extend the normal 8 seconds for each scene. And if you look at the right hand side of our screen here, you can see 15 seconds. Our video is no longer 8 seconds. So we are going to do this over and over again. If you notice, at this point, she didn't finish what I wanted her to say. She didn't complete the part. So I'm going to ensure that in my next prompt, I complete the sentence. So I'm going to come back and highlight this next scene. That is the new scene it creates. I'm going to highlight it. Why? Because if I highlight this first one, anything it's going to add will come and stay in between here. So I'm going to come to this last scene it created, highlight it, then tap on this plus icon and tap on extend. Now I am going to add my next prompt. Now that I have my next scene ready, my next scene prompt, I'm going to send it as well and allow it to generate. This way, I'm going to go and prepare my next prompt again and come and paste it here. Now our next scene is ready. I'm going to bring in my next prompt. And our next scene is ready. Up next, you're going to tap on the plus icon again, tap on extend, paste our next prompt and allow it to start generating. And at the right hand side of your screen, you can see the length you have already. Right now, we have 29 seconds video. Can you imagine that? Instead of the normal 8 seconds, we already have 29 seconds. And we can keep creating, keep doing this over and over again until we have the desired length of video. Of course, as long as you have credits. You can get access to an already activated Google One Pro account for full 1 year and get 1,000 credits every month plus other benefits. Use the link in the description of this video. After creating 6 scenes, I have 43 seconds. Let's play this from the beginning to see what we have here.
For the longest time, people believed Veo3 could only create 8-second AI videos. Short clips, quick shots, nothing more. But that has completely changed. You can now create long-form videos with Veo3, anywhere from 1 minute to a full 10 minutes. Yes, real videos, not clips. And this isn't just about length. The biggest breakthrough is 100% character consistency. Your characters stay the same from the first scene to the last. This means you can now use Veo3 to create full stories, documentaries, educational videos, and cinematic content. This tutorial is a step-by-step breakdown showing exactly how to create long videos with Veo3. Let's dive in.
Can you see that? So this is how you can create long-form videos with Google Veo3 to your desired length of video. And yes, for smartphone users, if you're trying to create it, you might get this message. The trick on how you can access it is going to your preferred browser, search for Flow Labs, then come to the website. Once you're on the website, tap on the 3 dots at the right hand side of your screen. I am using Google Chrome to demonstrate this for you. Once you tap on it, scroll down and you're going to see something like desktop sites. Take a look at this desktop site. Then ensure you check this box. check the box, and it is going to change your interface as if you are using a desktop. So once it changes it to a desktop site like this, tap on Create with Flow, and when you tap on Create with Flow and you log into your account, you should see the scene builder. You would have access to the scene builder. Don't take it away from desktop mode, because if you take it away from desktop mode while using it, you won't have access to the scene builder. And you can see at the top left hand side of my screen, the scene builder is now showing on my smartphone. Now, after creating this video, this is how you can download it. You're going to see the download icon at the right hand side of your screen. Tap on it and you're going to see a message pop up that says it is exporting. Just give it a few seconds or a few minutes, and once you finish exporting, you're going to be able to download it to your device, and then you can use your video editing app to add anything else you want to add, maybe subtitles, maybe music, anything else you want to do. Export it, and then you can share your long form video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you in the next.